Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are turning the Grace bra into a fully tie style swim top. Ties at the neck, ties at the back and no bend at all. And because it's all ties and no hardware at all, we are making it reversible too, so you can have two swim tops in one. Now if you have a fuller bust and need more support, check the last week's video where we made the Olivia swim top with fixed straps and underbust band, much more supportive. This one is more relaxed and adjustable style. And before we start, feel free to subscribe, like, share or comment this video. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump right in. For this style you will need ½ meter of the main fabric and the lining fabric. Or fabric A and fabric B, because we are going reversible again. First I need to do is to deepen the neckline, because I really don't need that high center front with my bust size. And then I need to make the edges longer so I can tie it at the back and neck. So I will add 25 right here to the shoulder strap and maybe 15 to the back, and we will see how it turns out. Or maybe 20, this will be totally enough, I think. So I'm adding 20 centimeters right here to the top edge or the shoulder part. I'm making a round edge. And then I will add 15 or 10. I really don't know. 12. I will add 12 here. Yeah, we will see. And the same right here. I will make it round. Yeah, okay. Now we can cut the main pieces. I really recommend to cut this part wider. I don't know what's wrong with me, but we will try it. Never mind. And cut the pieces also from the second fabric. Pin and sew the darts first, right sides together. Then make a knot at the ends of the darts. And pin and sew the center front seam, right side to right side, main with main, lining with lining, or fabric A and fabric B separately. Then place the pieces right sides together and pin and sew them all around. We need to leave an opening somewhere so we can turn the whole piece to the right side later. And I think the best option will be somewhere here in the back piece or the back part. So I don't have the chalk here, but I think it could be somewhere here in the back piece. This shape is really bad and I don't know why I did it here, because the back one is really different and pretty nice. So it's quite pity. But it will work anyway, so it's okay. And sew it all around. Don't forget to leave an opening somewhere in the back piece. And this is where I will start and also end with the sewing. So I hope I won't forget it. And you can also add an elastic to the seam if you like to, for better shape and support, but I am not doing it today. And leaving the opening about 5 centimeters right here. And as you can see, the stitches are not really perfect. I really don't know if it's because of the material or the needles, but I have new needles right here for the stretch materials, so it should be okay. But I really don't know. So I will just stitch it once more here and somewhere here with zigzag. Now we can turn the whole piece to the right side through the opening we left here. This was a really bad idea. But we are here. We are done. Perfect. And the very last step is to hand stitch the opening. If you have a fuller bust, I really recommend to use the underbust band. You can leave the straps like this, so you can tie them, or you can sew them right into the back piece as in the Olivia video. Let's try them on.